Hello everyone, a very good afternoon to all of you. Hope that you all are doing great. I am also fit and fine by the grace of Almighty. So friends, today we have come here a beautiful place, very beautiful place. This is the in front of Krishi Varsity. You can see the view of this varsity. So few days ago I make lots of videos on that place. You can see on that statue. I make one videos on that statue. So we are in front of. Basically, I have come here with my friends Nixon. So at this time we are making video. Yeah. So you can see this is the place, and lots of people they are looking at me. What am I doing? But I am making video. So lots of people they are looking at me in front of this, in front of this road. So this is a road basically. You can see in behind of me this is a road, and here lots of lots of corn sheets, lots of this is the Krishi Varsity. Lots of for this season lots of people they are growing lots of sheets of rice. They are testing, yeah, lots of sheets for this season. Here lots of people they have come here for growing their sheets or making lots of things in this field. Or in this field there are lots of nursery also here. There are lots of people they have come here for buy the plant trees. They have come here, and me and my friends actually we have come here. You can see he's actually riding my cycle. So every day he comes with me. Yeah, he comes with me for making video or for playing. Basically we have come here for playing, but I think I have to make a video for my practicing English. That's why I am making this video. And few minutes ago, I have two guy actually there with their lorry, or you can see lorry. I think this is a lorry. They are laughing at me. What am I doing? Yeah, and they are trying to disconcentrate in the from this video. Yeah, but I am concentrating in this video. That's why I am making this video. And after making this video I have to go to for playing. That's why we are going to for playing. And yeah, and basically every day I cannot come here every day. Basically in this week my exam actually going. For this reason I don't come here every day, but when I get free time I definitely try to come here. And you can see this is the view, and you can see the guy actually looking at me. What am I doing? This is a CNG driver. So I am making video for my English practicing, and this is the Sherbangla Krishi Vishwavidyalaya. This is the enter of this varsity. Yeah, and I don't know, I think this is the corner of this varsity, but in this varsity I make lots of videos, like 3 videos in this, and lots of birds actually here, because there are lots of big trees actually here. You can see there are lots of birds like parrot, crow, and you can listen the crows chirping, and lots of birds actually chirping here. And also they are actually over there. Actually this is a coconut tree, and there are lots of coconut actually growing in this tree. But I don't know who take care of these trees. I think the nursery owner take care of this thing. But if I try to show you the another thing, when we have come here, that time I feel like a village, because you can see this is the scenery of village. Lots of black birds actually hanging from this from these plants. You can see they are actually playing here and chirping here. Yeah, and yeah, I don't want to make it more longer. This is 5 minutes. Also I want to tell you the another thing, that if you want to grow yourself, you have to do something very well. You have to do something well about English, because English is an international language and also global language. and if you can learn this language properly, you can go anywhere, whatever you want. Yeah, I don't want to make it more longer. My time is over, so I have to play right now. So goodbye.